Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw money from your Amazon seller account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and be opening up the official Amazon Seller Central right here, sellercentral.amazon.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up. Once you have gotten open up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is the home page from where we can get started. So once you have opened it up, now you'll be greeted by this home page where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging in. So first thing we need to do is log into our account. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is go ahead and sign up for one. So go ahead and create an account if you need one. If you already have one, just log in normally. So once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard that looks like this, from where we can go ahead and manage our catalog, inventory, our stores, and so on. All of that is going to be available right here, as well as our settings and so on. So basically, how can we get started with withdrawing our money and payments? Basically, as you can see right here in this official Seller Central forum, somebody asked how to withdraw your money. Here we have the option on how to get started. Basically, here we can get started on what we can do. It shows us that we want to go ahead and click into our balance that should be at the top of the dashboard, and then it's going to show us what funds are available right now and can be withdrawn and what's available as settlements. And this is the sales that have not been fulfilled yet. So if you have any funds that are available right now that can be withdrawn, they're going to go ahead and be available from your balance in your dashboard. There you can go ahead and click on that balance and select how you want to withdraw them. You can select your bank or whichever option you prefer and get started providing all the details from your dashboard to get started withdrawing your money, and basically it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.